Welcome back, children, to lesson number 8 of your EVS subject, Science of Kitchen. Children, take out page number 63. You can see 3 questions given. What is seen in the picture? Which spices are seen in the market? And what is being cooked in the pressure cooker? So, children, you have to observe the picture given on page number 62 and answer these 3 questions. First question is, what is seen in the picture? So children, you can see it is a picture of a kitchen. Here is a lady who is cooking food for her family. Now second question is, which spices are seen in the kitchen? So children, you can see there are 5 bottles: salt, turmeric, chili, one more is there, and then sugar. So here it is asked, which are the spices in the kitchen? See here, salt and sugar are not spices, but turmeric and chili are spices. Now the third question is, what is being cooked in the pressure cooker? In pressure cooker it may be dal or even vegetable. Anything can be in the pressure cooker. Now children, we have learned in second question, which are the spices seen in the kitchen? Do you know what are spices? We will learn in detail in this video what are spices. A spice is a seed, fruit, root, bark or other plant substance primarily used for flavoring or coloring food. Generally children, these spices are obtained from either the seed or fruit or bark or root of the plant, or it can be any other part of the plant. And why it is used? It is used to flavor our food and add color to our food. Some spices add color to our food, some add flavor to our food. And children, do you know that these spices are even beneficial to our health? Indian spices are known all over the world for their aroma, texture and taste. The varying climatic conditions provide ample scope for the cultivation of variety of spices. Children, here in India we have different type of climate, and because of that we have different types of or variety of spices. Do you know children why these foreigners were attracted to India? Yes, for the spices of India they were attracted to India, because here the rates of the spices were very cheap compared to other countries. That is why foreigners were attracted to India. So children, today we will learn about some common spices used in our kitchen. The first one is turmeric. Turmeric is a yellow colored spice which adds color to our food. It has warm bitter taste. That means children, it doesn't have any taste, but when you will taste it, you will get that bitter or warm taste in your mouth. In earlier times, turmeric was used as dye. Children, can you compare that? It was used for coloring the clothes. Turmeric is one of the key ingredients in many Asian dishes. Turmeric has been used in India for thousands of years as a spice and medicine. It is a very strong antioxidant. It helps your body fight against certain diseases and also helps in repairing damage of your body. Whenever you get hurt, do you remember that your mother gives you that haldi wala doodh, that yellow milk? Yes, that is very helpful to your body to repair the damages of your body. Children, even when we get hurt, we apply turmeric powder on it. It acts as an antiseptic. If you drink turmeric diluted in warm water every morning, it helps to improve digestion and metabolism. Children, turmeric milk helps you to increase your immunity power. And children, in this pandemic situation, it is very important to boost our immunity power. Now comes, yes, tikki chili, yes, red chili powder. Children, I know you all like spicy food, and do you know which food ingredient help in spicy, making your food spicy? Yes, it is red chili powder. Red chili powder is one of the most common Indian spice as it is used in all the Indian cuisines. Beyond adding taste to food, red chili powder makes our food healthier too. Now children, have you ever thought that red chili powder is good for our health also? Yes, it is good for our health also. Red chili powder helps in digestion. It also acts as preservative in pickles. This also keeps our intestine healthy. Iron in chili powder can increase production of hemoglobin and increase blood flow. Yes, now comes coriander powder. Children, all of you know coriander leaves. Yes, in Hindi we call as dhania, and generally this coriander leaves are used for making chutney, which you generally use with your vadas or pakoras. The dry fruit of coriander leaf are called coriander seeds. This can be used whole, crushed or in powdered form. That means children, these coriander seeds, if you are using in your food, they can be crushed, they can be used as it is, that is whole, or it can be grounded. That means it can be grinded in the mixer and then it can be used. Coriander powder is generally used in our curries. It contains dietary fiber, calcium, iron and magnesium. It improves digestion. It is used to cure allergies, eye infection, anemia, etc. That means it is also helpful to our health. It lowers the cholesterol. It also helps in weight loss and it improves hair and skin quality. Now children, cumin seeds, which we call jeera also, are generally used for tempering. That means tempering means before you cook vegetables, you add jeera to the oil or ghee or cumin seeds to the oil or ghee and then start cooking. This is also very important spice. It adds aroma to our food and even this also has various health benefits. This can be used in both whole and grounded form. That means when you are grounding it, when you are grinding it, you can use in your salads, raita. It promotes digestion. It also helps in weight loss. Jeera water or cumin water is very helpful in weight loss. It is rich source of iron. It improves blood sugar, controls cholesterol. Now comes mustard seeds, also known as sarso or rai, are small round seeds of mustard plant. They are generally found in yellow, brown and black color. It is also very important spice used in our foods. Mustard seeds also have several health benefits. Children, it gives relief in migraine. These seeds are rich in calcium, manganese, omega-3 fatty acids, iron, zinc, protein and dietary fiber. It increases our appetite. It increases metabolism in our body. Do you know what is metabolism? Yes, metabolism means when we eat food, it goes with some chemical reactions in our body. Food changes into energy and that help us to grow. Children, I would not say that this was for all today because there are more spices in our kitchen which are used, but I have discussed the main ones. There are many more spices like cinnamon, cardamom, cloves, black pepper, nutmeg, etc. And these spices also have many health benefits. Children, now you might have understood why we call kitchen as our science, because here you will find medicines as well as health beneficial things. Children, you should remember that if you are eating these spices, all these spices should be eaten in limited form. Otherwise, these are sometimes also harmful to our body. Children, this was from my side for today. We will meet in my next video. Till then, stay connected. Bye-bye.